Good morning, children. Today we are going to English class, Unit 2, Listening Text 9 Little Birds. Children, have you seen the birds? Some birds? Yes, we have seen the birds. Name them. The birds are peacock, cock, hen, crow, pigeon, parrot, like that. Isn't it, children? Now, today we learn about hen. Okay, the 9 little birds. What is the meaning of the 9 little birds? There are 9 little birds. Little birds are here. That is the story for you. Okay, children. Now, today we learn 9 little birds. I now I read this chapter. You, you can see the picture. Here is the picture. You can see that. Then the 9 little birds. Mother hen and father hen lived in the thick of a jungle. Once mother hen laid 9 eggs in her nest. Dum 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 dum. She sat on the eggs for them to crack, while father hen collected food for mother hen. Okay, children. One day, the mother hen and father hen lived in the thick of a jungle. Who, who are lived in the jungle? The mother hen and father hen lived in the thick of a jungle. There is a thick jungle. Okay. Once mother hen laid 9 eggs. How many eggs the mother hen laid? 9 eggs in her nest. Nest means house. The bird's house. Okay. The mother hen laid 9 eggs in her nest. Dum dum like that. The sound. Dum 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 like that. Okay. She sat on the eggs for them to crack. The mother egg, sat on the eggs for them to crack. While father hen collected food for mother hen. When the mother hen sat on the eggs, that time meanwhile the father hen collected food for the mother hen. The father hen collected food for whom? Food for whom? Mother hen. Okay, children, are you understand? Now you can see that picture. Father hen also, mother hen. Here you can see the picture, children. Yes, very good. So once fine day, mother hen told father hen to take care of the eggs and went to the nearby pond to drink some water. One fine day, mother hen told to father hen mother hen told to father hen to take care of the eggs. The mother hen told to father hen to take care of the eggs. I went to the nearby the pond to drink some water. The mother hen told to I want to drink some water. I want to drink some water because I went to the nearby pond. You 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 take care of the eggs. Okay, the mother hen told to her father hen. Okay, are you understand, children, here? Then just then a strong gust of wind blew. When the mother hen gone to the pond, went to the pond, that time the strong gust of the wind come, blew, shh, 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 like that. Are you understand what is the sound, children? Wind sound? Shh, shh, shoo, like that. And the nest was broken. The nest was destroyed. 8 of the 9 eggs rolled down and cracked. When the gust of the wind blew, that time nest was broken, and that time 8 of the 9 eggs also rolled down and cracked. Only one egg is remained. Are you understand, children? When the mother hen went to the nearby the pond to drink some water, that time have to take care of the father hen eggs. Okay, so that time the strongest of the wind blew. nest was broken. 8 of the 9 eggs rolled down and cracked. Only one egg remained. Are you understand, children? So, ಮದರ್ hen ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಫಾದರ್ ಹೆನ್ನಿಗೆ, ನಾನು ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕೀಗ, ನನ್ನ ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮದರ್ hen ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಪಾಂಡಿಗೆ. ಅದೇ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದೇ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಗಾಳಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಜೋರಾಗಿ, ಅಂತ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಗಾಳಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಗೂಡುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ನೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಒಡೆದು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ, ಅರ್ಧೋಗ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ. 8 of the 9 eggs ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8 ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಗಳು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಉರುಳಿ 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 ಬಿದ್ದು ಹೊಡೆದೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ದ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ eggs, children? Only one egg. Okay, now let's see next para. Father hen became sad. Father hen became sad and cry. When mother hen returns, what will I say? He thought. ಯಾವಾಗ ಮದರ್ hen ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಲಿ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಗಾಳಿ ಬಂದು ಗೂಡುಗಳು ಹೋಯ್ತು, ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಗಳು ಹಾಳಾಯ್ತು, ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಲಿ ಮದರ್ ಹೆನ್ನಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಫಾದರ್ hen think that the father hen and became sad. Suddenly an idea struck him. Suddenly an idea struck him to father hen. He went to the jungle. The father hen went to the jungle. Suddenly an idea struck him and went to the jungle. Okay, are you understand? He collected 8 eggs. 8 eggs different in colors and shape. He quietly placed them in the nest. Very good. Look, listen here, children. The father hen became sad because of the nest was broken, the eggs rolled down and cracked. So what can I tell that mother hen? So the father hen suddenly take the idea struck him and went to the jungle and also collect the 8 eggs. Okay, children, the 8 eggs are different and also different color and different shape. He quietly placed them in the nest. Okay, children, are you understand? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾದರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಮದರ್ ಹೆನ್ನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಆಗಿ, ಭಯ ಆಗಿ, ಬೇಜಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕಾಡಿಗೆ ಓಡೋಗಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನ 8 ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಗೂಡೊಳಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಆ ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಯ ಕಲರ್ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗಿರತ್ತೆ, ಶೇಪ್ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗಿರತ್ತೆ. ಒಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ ಈ ಫಾದರ್ ಹೆಣ್ಣು, ಆ ಮದರ್ ಹೆಣ್ಣಿನ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಗೂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲೇ ಹೇಗೆ 9 ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ಇತ್ತು, 9 ಮೊಟ್ಟೆನ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ನಾವು ಡೇಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ, ದಿನಗಳು ಕಳೀತು. Then babies began to emerge from the eggs, each one different in size and appearance. So when the babies began to emerge, ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನು ಒಡೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮರಿಗಳು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈಚ್ ಒನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಪಿಯರೆನ್ಸ್, ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸೈಜ್ ಇದೆ. Their voices also sounded different. Their voices also sounded different. Why, children? The size also different, shape also different, voice also different. Why, children? Think about. So because father hen collect the 8 eggs, different color and different shape eggs. Okay, because of the 8 eggs are destroyed from wind. Okay, like that. Quack, 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 caw, 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 trr, 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 gutter, gutter, goom, 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 crick, 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 he, chee, chee, like this sound. The different. Here is the one quack, caw, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. Okay, are you understand, children? 8, 9, 9 more eggs are different shape, different color and also different sound. Okay, are you understand, children? Now let's go. Mother and father decide to take their family out to feed one day. Mother and take what they are decided? They are decided to take their family out to feed one day as they neared a pond. Quack, quack, uttered 2 of the 9 babies and jumped into the pond. They were ducks babies. Okay, what is there in the near a pond? Quack, quack, duck is there. The uttered 2 of the 9 babies and jumped into the pond. They were ducks babies. Okay, seeing these, some crows began to caw. Some crows at that time, some crows began to caw. Another black baby with a long pointed beak flew away. It was a crow's baby. Are you understand, children? There is a duck baby are here, crow's baby are there. So what happened now? Just then, a pack of parrots flew over them in search of food. The meanwhile, the pack of parrots flew over them in search for food. One more baby, green in color with a red beak, flew to join the pack. When the pack of a parrot flew over them in the search of food, that time green color baby, one more baby, and also the baby has a red beak, flew to join the pack. ಹೀಗೆ ಆ, ಗಿಳಿಗಳ ಗುಂಪುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಏನೋ ಆಹಾರಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಗೂಡಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಮರಿ ಇರತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಬೇಬಿ ಬರ್ಡ್, ಅದ್ರ ಕಲರ್ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು? ದ ಕಲರ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದಟ್ beak also red color. You think about that. What is that bird? The bird is parrot. Are you understand, children? So the flee to the join their family. Pack means pack. The group of parrots called it pack. Okay, it was a parrot's baby. In front of them was a big tree with a flock of pigeons sitting idly. Another baby let out gutter, goon sound and headed in that direction. It was a pigeon's baby. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ಹೊಡಿತು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬಂತು? Pigeon's baby sound. Gutter, gutter, goon, like the sound and headed in that direction. So it was a pigeon's baby. The flock of pigeons, the group of the pigeons group called it flock. Are you understand? ಪಾರಿವಾಳಗಳ ಗುಂಪಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಫ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ಹೊಡೆದಾಗ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಹೇಗ್ ಬಂತು? ಕಟರ್ ಗೂನ್, ದ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ pigeon's baby. As mother and father hen moved further, like that, mother hen and father hen moved further. Some kingfishers could be seen swimming on the other end of the pond. Then next, there is some kingfishers seen swimming on the other end of the pond. Fluff, 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 like that. The bluebird with a long beak helped and ducked into the pond just like the other bird. It was a kingfisher's baby. The another bird was egg was hatched. Then the sound comes out. The sound fluff flop. The blue bird. The color is the blue bird, and also beak also long and helped and ducked into the pond just like the other birds. Okay, so here is the kingfisher's baby. First one is peacock baby, then after crow's baby, then after pigeon baby. First, sorry, peacock not, parrot baby. Then after what? Pigeon baby. Then after duck baby. Then after what, children? Kingfisher's baby. Then clouds overshadowed everything. At another baby spreads its wings gleefully and started dancing theme like that. It was a peacock's baby. Now the egg hatched peacock's baby. Then clouds overshadowed everything. At another baby spread its wings. The another baby spread its wings gleefully, colorfully, wonderful, look like a very nice, and started dancing thim like that. Okay, children. The what is the baby now? It was a peacock's baby. So it became dark. Now the mother and father were left with two babies. ಸಂಜೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸಂಜೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದಂಗೆ mother baby and father baby left with two babies only. Remain the two babies. They heard a weird sound. Like that sound. The eighth baby with big round eyes. What it has? It has the eighth baby has a big round eyes and also flew into darkness. It was an owl's baby. Are you understand, children? It became dark. The mother and father baby left with two babies and also heard the sound like that is the eighth baby. It looked like a big round eyes and also flew into the sky darkness. So that baby name was what, children? The baby bird name was Owls. So shall we move? Now only one child remained. How many egg remain now? Only one. It was the only chick. The parents sighed with relief. ಈಗ ಈಗ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮದರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಅಂಡಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರಿಲೀಫ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಗಳು ಬೇರೆ 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 ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಗಳಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಈಗ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Cuckoo, curr, cuckoo, curr, like the sound. Chick also answered, cuckoo, crew, cuckoo, crew. So that is the chick. The mother hen and father hen very happy. Thank God, only one eggs are ours. So the mother hen, father hen was very happy. Okay, children, are you understand this chapter, this lesson? 9 little birds. Okay, so then I will send the notes. You write down it in properly and read this chapter once or one or two times. Okay, children. Thank you.